Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make new roles on Discord. So let's get started. So making roles on Discord is a pretty simple task. Here you will be able to make roles in under a minute. So let's get started. So the first step is to open your Discord and log into your account. Alright, now go to the server and keep in mind that you need to have a role of administrator or moderator, then only you'll be able to create new roles. Alright, so once you're on your server, click on the server icon and now right click, and here you'll see the option for server settings. Click over here. Alright, so over here you can see the option for roles. Click here, and over here you can see the option for create a role. Now all you have to do is click over here again and give your role some name, and now you can choose the color over here. Alright, so once you have chosen the color, here you can see the option for display roles separately from online members. Click over here and you can give this permission as well. So over here you can see you can manage various permissions. Now if you want, you can give some permissions such as kick members, ban members, or manage members. Now all you have to do is click on save changes and make sure you drag this make sure you drag this on some top level so they can control the roles below them. They cannot manage the roles above them, but they can manage the roles below them. So you can just drag it over here, and now they can manage every role under this. So yeah, that is how you can create roles in Discord. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.